Hello everyone. So I have something that I wanted to ask. I have a lot of waste material at home and I was wondering what can we do with it instead of throwing them out? Glass bottles, plastic bags and other waste that would end up filling landfills or floating in the sea have, in the hands of some artists, become a form of sustainable art that highlights the degradation of the planet and surprises with its originality. The possibilities stretch as far as the imagination. The installation in the photo is titled Ray, after the great surrealist artist Man Ray. Looking at Dada, Subodh Gupta's Dada influence can be seen in the use of the ready-made and the found object displaced and recontextualized to lend a fresh perspective to the work. Titled Dada, made using stainless steel by using a common Indian cultural trope of the banyan tree, the artist makes a tongue-in-cheek remark to the patrilineal tradition in Indian society. Dada, which means grandfather in Hindi. Coming to Akh Dutriof, an installation of waste bread situated in Austria made by Marcus and Wolfgang, shows the problematic of disposed food in a sculptural way by installing an Arc to Triomphe filled with waste bread, devoted to the Costume Society. The 4.7-meter high, 1.50-meter wide, and 5-meter long form of Arc to Triomphe is made of a metal grid and a wooden substructure, including weights of concrete. About 2.5 tons of dry waste bread was collected over a period of 5 weeks in small quantities from bakeries, supermarkets, and waste containers. Neither charitable nor recycling circles were disturbed. Now, Eat Me, situated in Tokyo, is made of PE tube, candy, and stainless wire. Eat Me is approximately 7,000 pieces of individually wrapped candy in the shape of a house hanging from the ceiling. Visitors were encouraged to get the candy and discard the colorful wrappers in a designated area within the gallery space. The Natural Dyer. The Natural Dyer was born out of a desire to create conscious clothing by using second-hand, off-cut, waste, end-of-roll, or donated materials. Carmarie Piazza is a natural dyer, an artisan working in New York City. She creates one-of-a-kind textiles only using natural dyestuffs such as botanicals, plant matter, minerals, non-toxic metals, and food wastes. She treats her fabrics through all chemical dye sessions, ancient shibori techniques, and bundle dyeing, transforming each textile into its very own story. Food waste transformed into tableware, that is, Anima. Anima is a project documenting food waste that is daily produced and making tableware out of it. Its designer, Kosuke Araki, has a collection that features a series of cups, plates, and bowls that Araki made by combining carbonized vegetable waste and animal glue from the bones and skin of animal offcuts. My Mother and Me is an installation, again by Subodh Gupta. It is made of cow dung cakes and ash. You must be wondering, where did it get its name? Subodh answered, and I quote, "When I was a child, my mother would send me out to get things associated with her daily puja, like mango leaves and also cow dung. We also used cow dung along with coal for cooking, so I was used to handling cow dung since my childhood. While working on the structure at Modinagar, I remembered fetching cow dung for my mother's rituals, and that is why I called it My Mother and Me." Another work, entitled My Family Portrait by Subodh Gupta, sees each family member represented as hanging rocks of metal utensils, kitchen tools, and tableware. These affectionate yet unvarnished personifications dial into the social, economic, and cultural mannerism of India, in a light-hearted yet poignant way. Thank you for listening and creating a wonderful environment out of waste. Stay safe.